Welcome to Veekay Infosys, provide laptop accessories and repairing services. The company was established in 2003 at Mumbai. We are equipped with latest technology, vast industry experience, and trusted vendor base. Strict quality controls, industry-leading prices, and on-time delivery schedules are the factors that help us to stay ahead of our competitors. We offer a diverse range of laptop adapters, docking stations, and external drives. Our laptop hard disks, keyboards, and accessories are in huge demand across the global markets. Laptop motherboards, speakers, and screens are best in the industry amongst others. We are offering an attractive collection of graphic cards, CCTV accessories, and presenter mouse that are extremely reliable. Privacy filters, laptops on rents and second-hand laptops are available at affordable rates in the market. Our laptop repairing services, CCTV cameras for security sectors and laptop hard disks for industry are a class apart. To get more information, log on at www.veekayinfosys.com.